Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Ovaltine drink quickly and easily. Whether you prefer it hot or cold, the process is quite simple. First, gather your ingredients: 2 tablespoons of Ovaltine powder, 1 cup of milk or water, and your favorite mug or glass. Having a spoon ready for stirring will ensure a smooth, creamy result. To create a wonderfully refreshing cold Ovaltine, start by adding 2 tablespoons of the powder into your chosen glass. Next, pour in just a small splash of cold milk, enough to form a thick paste. Stir this mixture well until all the powder has completely dissolved, ensuring there are no lumps remaining. Finally, fill the rest of your glass with approximately 8 ounces of cold milk and add some ice cubes for an extra chill. For a comforting, warm Ovaltine experience, begin by putting 2 tablespoons of Ovaltine powder into your favorite mug. Add just a tiny bit of warm milk or water, creating a paste as you stir to dissolve the powder fully. This method helps prevent any clumps in your finished drink. Then, carefully pour in about 8 ounces of hot milk or water, stirring gently until everything is perfectly combined and warm. You can easily enhance your Ovaltine experience with a few simple additions. For an extra layer of flavor, try stirring in about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. A dollop of whipped cream or a generous drizzle of chocolate syrup can turn it into a delightful dessert. Also, a small pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg offers a comforting, aromatic touch. Feel free to adjust the Ovaltine powder to liquid ratio for your perfect taste. Crafting your very own Ovaltine drink at home is wonderfully simple and incredibly satisfying. Whether you prefer it steaming hot on a cold day or refreshingly chilled when it's warm, you now have the skills to prepare it perfectly. Take a moment to savor the rich, malty, chocolatey goodness you've created. Enjoy this classic beverage, and perhaps even share a cup with someone special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.